Today we're going to take a look at a few unassuming items which are great for woodworking specifically. While these products don't seem like much at first glance with all the technology and power tools available in the industry today, we're going to touch on how woodworkers still utilize these tools today in their work. Today, we'll see how one worker with Cummins Woodworking utilizes these items in their own shop. While you often see French curves utilized in pattern making, sewing, and planning, they actually provide a useful guide in woodworking. Whether you're creating a door bracket from scratch or copying an intricate gable design to replicate, French curves can help you get a clean pattern. Here, you can see how the woodworker uses a flexible curve and different French curves to replicate the intricate filigree design. First, he uses a flexible curve to get the main shape of the largest curve. A flexible curve is made of plastic with a flexible wire center that makes it ideal for replicating large or complex shapes that don't match up with certain French curves. The advantage of a flexible curve is that you can bend it in almost any direction and configuration. After that, he uses a variety of French curves and templates to flesh out the design he's replicating to get strong, even lines that are easy to follow later when he's cutting the template. Next, we'll look at how you can use a simple divider to help you create dovetails for drawers and interlocking pieces. Brad with Cummins Woodworking will describe the exact technique he uses.
Got my 1/4 inch from the edge here, my 1/4 inch. So now I'm going to come in, take this, look, and then that's going to show me the size. So I like that. It's going to be a good size, so I'm going to come in. My divider's in the hole, press. There's 2 holes, mark them with a pencil there. I'm going to come back, not moving anything. My other 1/4 inch hole there. Press. Mark that hole. And now we go about laying it out using the dovetail jig. Okay, so now we flip the dovetail, coming back the other way, create the tails. And there they are. So now we have our dovetails. These are the pins and will be removed from this particular piece of wood. These parts are removed, and these parts are the tails. Supposedly these are like that. So you would do that repeatedly for the rest of it, and then you would make your dovetail joint. Go here. And these dividers work perfect for the job.
By using this technique, he was able to create the dovetail drawers you can see here on a finished piece.
Here, let's see how the dovetails look when they're finished. Here are the tails that I was showing you how to draw out using the dividers, using the pins. This is how we finish this side.
Another staple in the Cummins Woodworking shop is the 2mm lead holder. While Pacific Art carries many lead holders, the H1309 series is his go-to due to its steel design and quality construction. It is gravity-fed, allows the user to change and mark the lead degree on their pencil, and even has a sharpener in the cap. This allows you to get solid, sharp lines to mark whatever piece you're working on. The T-square holds a special place in the workshop. With it, alignment can be checked to ensure a 90-degree angle during assembly or preparation, measure distances accurately from a reference edge, create cutting guides, aligning patterns, and even the squareness of a table or bandsaw. It's an essential tool to have handy for a variety of projects and even planning. Today, we briefly went over a number of tools that you'll find useful while working in your workshop, from planning to the final finished product. These tools can help you create anything your heart desires. Of course, there are many other tools not mentioned here, like the PXB board, which is a fantastic tool for planning, or the parallel ruler. We hope you found today's video helpful to give you the tools you need to make your dreams a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the work of other talented woodworkers like Clear Craft and Cummins Woodworking. Links are in the description below. Bye for now.